Okay, how are you guys doing today? Hope all is well. I thought I would talk about setting up your messenger on your Facebook page. So where we're gonna go to our settings tab. Alright, we're gonna go to messaging. And you want to go to this response assistant. Jump down here and you'll see it says send instant replies to anyone who messages your page. So you can turn that on and you can change the message, okay? Because right now it just has this generic, thanks for messaging us, we'll try to be responsible as possible, we'll get back to you soon. So you could do this, you could put literally anything in here, okay? Like you can add a personalization, you can set, like, thanks for messaging us, and then put person's first name. So now it'll show up on here, thanks for messaging us, Kelly, because that's me. We try to be responsive as possible. We'll get back to you soon. Okay, and then like if you were a service type industry, would do something like, if you would like to book an appointment, please click this link below. mylink.com, and we will be with you shortly. Alright? It's pretty good. And that works for, like, even as an individual, you could do this. Not necessarily just like a business, but as like an individual freelancer who, maybe is a little busy and can't always answer their Facebook messages right away. And that way they know that you've gotten a notification that you are going to come back and answer them. Alright? So then the next step we want to do is you want to come down to this messenger platform. Okay? You'll see all your stuff here. Okay? And your messenger link, it will be customized if you actually have a username. Okay? Since mine does not, it just defaults to all these numbers. Okay? And so then you can just go down and set up all this other stuff for your. I'm not going to get into it today because it's way too complicated to talk about in one video. Okay, but just be aware that there's this messenger link. Okay, and then you can put this anywhere that you want, and then people will be able to find you more easily. Okay, all right, see you in the next one.